Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We'd greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a custom two-tone stainless steel and yellow gold Rolex Daytona with a black index dial with a PVD finish on the stainless steel parts. Model reference number for this watch is 116503. The retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $19,900 US. With the PVD treatment, we're looking at roughly $26,000 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, the dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on this watch throughout the review. Now, originally this Daytona was a two-tone stainless steel watch and yellow gold watch. But our client wanted a DLC treatment on their watch, so we got it done in roughly 2 weeks. Normally it takes about 3 weeks on average. Now, only the stainless steel portions of this watch were treated, so that's why you only see a two-tone black DLC and yellow gold on this watch. DLC stands for diamond light coating. Now, DLC treated watches are more durable and resistant to scratching, but the yellow gold portion on these watch is not treated, so it would need to get repolished over time. That's going to wear. DLC treatment adds about $2,000 to $4,000 to the cost of the watch, depending on what appointments you want to get done on the DLC treatment. You could even update the dial with different colors. So a lot of things can be done, but you want to try to keep it within reason. Now, this Rolex Daytona is a 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a 40mm case. It's a full size for most guys. The case material is 904L stainless steel, and there's a custom DLC coating on it. If you turn the case over, you can see it's shiny, and the lugs that are holding the case, the bracelet, are shiny as well. So it was originally stainless steel with a high polish mirror finish. Once the DLC treatment was done, you're looking at a black DLC coating with a high polish mirror finish as well. If you turn your attention to the bracelet itself, the outer links that were originally stainless steel with a satin finish now have a satin finish with a DLC coating on it. Hopefully you can tell the difference in that contrast there against this case as well, which is high polished or mirror finish. Let's just try this watch on while I have it in my hand. I might add that this case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. You should probably make sure your chronograph button pushers are screwed down properly though. On the top and bottom of this watch, chronograph pushers. So this watch obviously fits my wrist perfectly. I just need to lose a couple of links and it should fit my wrist fine. So that's what it looks like against my skin. It's a nice contrast there. Just for reference, I have just under a 7-inch wrist, so this 40mm watch fits my wrist perfectly. Now, Rolex Daytona has a high polished yellow gold bezel. It's a tachymetric scale going around it. The scale is engraved into it, and the numbers are PVD'd into it as well. So you can see, it makes for a nice contrast. I like the triangles as points of reference. Looks better than just plain indices. Going on the dial, we're looking at this beautiful black dial with luminous index hour markers. The hands, hour and minute hands, also have lume on them, so you can see those in the dark. Yellow gold text matches the rest of this watch with the black and yellow gold theme. And there's a nice contrast between the black dial and the yellow gold hands as well. So it's easy to read the time. The lume on the hand lets you read the time in the low light conditions as well. So this dial lights up in low light conditions. Alright, going on to the crown here at the 3 o'clock position, can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out, it's going to adjust the hour and minute hands like so. Once you have your hour and minute hands set, you can just pop down the crown, screw down your crown, and your watch is set. On the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 4130 movement, has the hour, minute, and chronograph function. The power reserve on this movement is 72 hours, so that's 3 days. You can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning, it's still going to be keeping time. Because this watch is self-winding and it's an automatic watch, the movement of your wrist is going to wind the watch while you're wearing it. Going on the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a two-tone yellow, gold, and stainless steel oyster bracelet. Let's get that back in focus here. The stainless steel portions are treated with a DLC diamond-like coating, so that's why you're seeing black and yellow gold instead of stainless steel and yellow gold. There's a safety folding oyster clasp here. Opens and closes up the watch. It's a single fold over. Easy to open, easy to clasp down. I might add that underneath this deployment buckle, there's a 5mm easy link extension that extends your bracelet another 5mm, allows your wrist to breathe if you get hot. If your wrists get swollen, you just deploy this and your watch should be easy to wear right after that. As far as what I think about this watch, overall this is a watch that feels really easy on the wrist. It's not too chunky, slips under the cuff easily. The black and yellow gold is really eye-catching, should turn heads. You don't see these DLC Daytonas very often. The yellow gold bezel looks great, and I love this contrast against the black DLC coating. I think this watch would work well as a weekend watch. It doesn't have a date function, so it might not work as well as a Submariner or a Datejust on a daily basis. I wouldn't mind seeing this watch on my wrist on the weekend though. Now if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 116503. This is the two-toned Rolex Daytona with black index dial, also with DLC treatment. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.